Today we have the 2018 Vauxhall Mokka X. This vehicle has done just over 55,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access projection, smartphone integration, traffic reports and navigation. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors.